Hello, welcome back. In this video we are going to apply concept of searching a key from a data range and getting the matching value corresponding to the key. So you might think that we can use Vlookup. We have already used Vlookup for this kind of problem. So let us understand that for which situation we have used Vlookup. So you can see here that we have person 4 as a key and which is present in the name column. Now corresponding to this person 4 we want to find out a matching contact. So in this situation we can use VLOOKUP. But if you have a reverse situation, that is we have a key which is from the contact column and corresponding to that contact I want to find out a matching person, so that is not possible using VLOOKUP, because in VLOOKUP when we have a key, the key has to be the very first column in our data range, and whatever value you want to search, this value column has to be on the right hand side of the key column. So when this situation is there, then only we can use VLOOKUP. But here you can see for the second situation where our key is present in the contact column and the value that we want to search is on the left hand side of the column. So in this situation VLOOKUP is not possible to use. So we'll solve this problem using index match. So let us first understand what is a index function. So let us use index function. So index will return the content of a cell that you specify using row and column value. So for example, we want to take data range as this B2 to B12, and within this index my row number is, for example, 4, and since our data range does not contain more than one column, we don't need to specify the column value. Right, so we get person 4 as the result. You can see other example where, let us try getting using index where our data contains 2 column. Now I specify row value as 4 and column value as 2. Right, so you can see that now we are able to get value from the second column. So this is index function. Actually we are going to use this index concept in index match. The name is index, but actually it is returning a value present at a particular cell. So the correct name should have been @index, which returns value present at particular index. Okay, now we can see about match function. So match is going to return the match position of a key in the data range. So let me write first some key which I'm going to search using match. So let me take this as a key that I want to search using match function. So my key is present in E5. Let us use match function. So our match key is present in E5 and my data range is from C2 to C11, and my search is for data that is not sorted. If I hit the enter key, I'll get result as 4. So basically it is telling that this key E5 is present in this data range at 4th position. So that is the match function. Now we are going to combine this match with index and we are going to do the reverse searching from the data range. So that is what we have used here. So you can see that now our key is E5. I want to find out matching person name for that particular key. That is, this is my key. Now corresponding to that key, I want to find out matching person which is actually present on the left hand side of the key column. So you can see that how we write the formula. So you can see that first I perform match. I search for this key E5 and the data range is C2 to C11. C2 to C11 and data is not sorted, so we write 0. So basically it is going to return me the row number and that we are going to use in the index function. Now when I use index function, I specify my data range as B2 to B11 and from this range I get the cell value that is present on row number 4, so which will return us as person number 4. So in this situation we can use index match. This index function can be used in other situations also. For example, we have a table data and from that table data we want to get value at a particular row and column, then index function is useful. So when Vlookup cannot be used, we can go for index match, which is very powerful function. So irrespective of our value column is on right hand side or left hand side, we can solve that problem using index match. If you like the content, give it a thumbs up, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new content. Thank you.